Interface. Let's have a quick fire round with the interface components of Blender. We will be looking at them in detail in the following videos. Main menus contains options to manage files, that is, to open, save, import, and export, undo, redo, tools for renaming, preference settings, rendering, viewport splitting, and help from Blender's official website. Submenus contains viewport options, selection tools, camera editing tools, primitive or basic shapes, lights, text, bones for animation, asset creation, constraints, and other object editing tools. Workspace contains layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture paint, shading, animation, rendering, compositing, geometry nodes, and video editing. Areas. You can resize and separate them. 3D viewport. Outliner. Properties editor. Timeline. Press T for toolbox display and hide. Interaction modes. Transform orientation. Transform pivot point. Snaps. Proportional editing. Selectability and visibility. Viewport gizmos. Viewport overlays. X-ray. Wireframe. Solid. Material preview. Render preview. Global gizmo. X-axis, displayed in red color. Y-axis, displayed in green color. Z-axis, displayed in blue color. When X-axis handle in gizmo is on right side, it means the user is looking at the front portion of an object. Press N for transform panel display. Here, you can change an area from one editor to another. Press F3 and type the first 3 or 4 letters to find any tools.